One of my favorite parts of the downtown restaurant scene is the diversity among all the restaurants downtown. You can come downtown and find anything from a steakhouse like we are, to a seafood restaurant like our neighbor Food Point, to a Lebanese restaurant like Taza. You can go to multiple barbecue restaurants, to even pizza restaurants that are in downtown. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to bacon wrap our filet. We have a center cut 8-ounce USDA choice filet here. I'm going to wrap the bacon around. We're going to use a little wooden skewer to secure the bacon on. And then we are going to season with just salt and pepper. We don't want to over season and we don't want to under season. And the only reason why we just use salt and pepper is we really want our beef to stand out on the flavor by itself. Okay, we're going to be going into our 1,000-degree broiler. Put that on. We're just going to kind of close and let it do its thing. So as you can see, we're getting a nice sear on the meat that's good at a high heat. And we're going to flip it. We're just going to let it keep cooking. You can see all that bacon's crisping up around there. We have some nice Cabernet sauce. We are going to add our demi-glace. Demi-glace is a reduction of veal stock reduced to a nice consistency. It's going to be very rich and hearty. Put that right in. We're going to let that reduce a little bit more. Here's our morel mushroom butter. So as our steak is finishing up, you can see that our demi-glace is thickened up nicely. It's got a good viscosity to the sauce. Okay, so while our steak is finishing up, we can start plating. And take some of our Cabernet demi-glace here. Put a little pull down on the plate. We have our signature white cheddar mashed potatoes. This is one of the holdovers from the Cleveland Chop House. Grab our filet here. We're going to pull that skewer out. See that our bacon has stayed nicely on the steak. Put our steak right into the Cabernet sauce. And we're going to finish with our butter right on top. That is our special food restaurant meat.